Hey guys, we are back at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We are staying at Kidani Village in a one-bedroom Savanna view. And of course we have this amazing view of the Savanna with an extra large balcony. The balcony actually connects to the adjoining room, which has its own sliding glass door coming out. Rainy afternoon out there on the Savanna today. This room has a little dining area, pull-out sofa bed, a full kitchen that has a full-size stove, full-size refrigerator, microwave, coffee pot, and a dishwasher. And it also has all of your glasses and all of your plates. This room also comes with a washer and dryer in the unit, so you can actually wash and dry your clothes while you're here. And this is bathroom number 1. Little bar seating area here, and then right through here is the master bedroom with a king-size bed. Again, that sliding glass leading out to the Savanna view on this big balcony. And then we have bathroom number 2. This bathroom has a large jacuzzi tub and a large stand-up shower. So the one bedroom at Kidani Village has 2 bathrooms, a pull-out sleeper sofa, and a king-size bed in a separate room.